Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is your English copy and today I am going to teach you days of the week. And today's days of the week are Wednesday and Thursday. Now open your copy and do your work with me. Children, in the first you will make two columns in your copy like this. In first column, you will write the spelling of Wednesday. And the spelling of Wednesday is W-E-D N-E-S D-A-Y day, Wednesday. And here you will write the spelling of Thursday. Thursday, day, Thursday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? Wednesday, day, Wednesday. And the spelling of Thursday is Thursday, day, Thursday. Now write it again. WED NES day, Wednesday. Now write it again. The spelling of Wednesday WED NES day, Wednesday. Write it again, children. WED NES day, Wednesday. Now write it again. WED NES day, Wednesday. Now children, in another column you will write the spelling of Thursday. And the spelling of Thursday is THURSDAY, Thursday. Now write it again. The spelling of Thursday THURSDAY, Thursday. Write it again, children. The spelling of Thursday is THURSDAY, Thursday. Write it again. THURSDAY, Thursday. Children, you will complete this page at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.